In keeping with the theme of starting with the simplest repairs and then working your way up to the more difficult repairs and learning as you go. Okay, we finished that one corner, the other corner of this front window, and we've got it in decent shape, so it's ready to go. Now, we're gonna tackle this guy, so let's get to work. Okay, this repair is a bit more extensive. This whole section here, it's gone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it here, I'm gonna cut it somewhere over here, and then probably just take this whole piece all the way up to here out. So this whole piece here will go. Rebuild another one and then graft it all back into place. Yeah. So with that being said, let's get to work. beautiful sun today. It's only in the 40s, but with the sun out, I'm actually getting hot in this thing. So anyway, here it is. This is the after of fixing this corner right here. I used a few techniques. These guys here are pocket screws, and they go into the end grain of this wood. I don't like just gluing straight into the end grain. I don't think there's enough strength there. So I did it there, and over here to this guy. I also added little doublers right here and right here. There was one down here already, and I added another one up here. Now, ignore all this stuff. What I'm gonna do, once I get on the inside, I'm going to just reskin that whole piece. And that is literally what that is. So I'll deal with that once I'm inside. Wiring, just drill a couple holes here, reconnect it. That's not a big deal. But that's it. That's how I did this corner. The next two are these end pieces here. And I'll probably video one. I'll do one edge, and then that's it. And then just fix the other one. Anyway, that's it. Is it perfect? Nope. Did I use the techniques that the manufacturer used? No, I don't have these big staples here. And I kind of appreciate these big staples. They're nice and strong, they're tight, they hold everything together, but they still allow a little flex, which is what you really need when going down the road. I had a little gap here, I filled that with construction adhesive. Again, not perfect, but it's not that hard, okay? I've never done this before. I got 2x2s and 1x2s from the local hardware store. The pocket jig, it's called a Craig system. I'll put some details in the description below. There's big fancy systems, and then there's this little one that you just clamp on and drill through. It's fairly easy. Anyway, that's it, and thanks for watching.